Okay, so the problem we're seeing is sometimes the belt tension is pretty slack. Even when this tensioner is pushed all the way down, you still have a lot of deflection. And so what we want to do is first move the tensioner sort of up out of the way so it's not involved with the belt. And then the trick is using these two bolts on the back of the machine. If you crack those loose, you can actually rotate the angle gearbox. And by rotating this, you can pull this sprocket away towards the back of the machine to pull some of that slack out of the belt. And then when you have it in a nice position, we're gonna retighten the hardware. And then when we go back to this tensioner on the side, we can press down. Oh, I didn't tighten that enough. Okay, we can press down and really get good engagement on the belt. Tighten that in place. And now in our finished tension, we shouldn't be able to deflect that belt more than 3/4 of an inch in the middle. So it's pretty taut there.